our choice of food was martabak, which is a Malaysian dish. And our ingredients was carrots, flour, oil, sugar, curry, eggs, chili pepper, butter, and turmeric. Yes.
Our choice of food was chicken, which is a German dish. Then is bread, carrots, chicken breast, parsley, oregano, and rosemary.
So for Nigeria, our choice of food was pounded yam and egusi. So we used yam, pounded yam flour, melon seeds, palm oil stock, palm oil.
Hi guys, for Tongo, we chose rubber or palm oil. So the ingredients for making it is oil, smoked fish, onion, fresh chicken, salt, rice,